Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Bante Dorlingdo yesterday informed that the Meghalaya Games will be held this year in the month of May and the Northeast Games will be held in the month of November. The sports minister disclosed that 83 senior national table tennis champion organized by Meghalaya Table Tennis Association in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya as part of the Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya full statehood. Speaking as the chief guest, Meghalaya Speaker Matt Lingdo said,
I'm glad to learn that around 1939 men and 39 women's teams are going to be participated in this Senior National Table Tennis Championship with from different places of the country and are taking part in this tournament, which I have been informed that around 450 participants, if I'm not wrong, you are here today to participate along with all your coaches, your managers, your technical people and others who are accompanying the different teams from different states.
And speaking on the occasion, guest of honor Bante Dorlingdo, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, said,
I would like to inform all of us we are here. The government of Meghalaya, for the last 3.5 years, 4 years, we are very much, we want to promote sports in our state. That's why this championship was held here. Actually, this championship was supposed to happen before last 3-4 months back. But because all we know that the pandemic has disturbed us, affected us, that's why we are conducting today. Friends, I would like to inform you all also. The Meghalaya government will be organizing from the sports department for the Meghalaya game again.